Hi everybody, so I thought I'd make a quick little video to show off this piece of tech that I got from RNIB that kind of helps you pour pour liquids into like cups without you needing to actually really focus on it, which is great. If you have a vision impairment, it's something small, but man, it does pose a problem sometimes, especially in the mornings when you're like half asleep and stuff. So the method that I was using prior to getting this little device was I would stick my thumb into a cup and wait for like the water level to rise and then stop when it got to touching my fingertip. But this didn't always go the way I wanted to. Like, let's say if I was pouring a drink for someone else, maybe they get grossed out that you're sticking your finger into their drink, or maybe your fingers are dirty and you do not want to stick it into your drink. So yeah, that method, I do use that like if I don't have this thing with me, but that method isn't always the best. Another method was where you kind of grip your cup and pour the drink in, and you kind of feel the liquid get to a certain level, and then you kind of guesstimate whether you need to stop pouring or not. And again, this didn't work for me ever because it was super dependent on the material of the cup in question. Some like if I just pour this. Sorry, if I just fill this up to about here with hot water, the whole thing heats up. Like, it's just that kind of material. So that method never worked for me ever. The other method, which I used a lot when I was younger, was I'd pour things from like a high height so that you can hear the water or whatever you're pouring into the cup kind of like making a lot of noise as it splashes. And as the level increases, the sound would kind of change. This worked for me as a kid, and it works maybe with bottles really, but not advisable with hot beverages. So let me just explain what this item is. Here we go. This item is it's called a drink level indicator, and I got it from the RNIB in London. It was about £8. And so what this does is you kind of pop it on the side of your cup, and as you pour water in, it kind of makes like a beeping sound as it reaches the item to indicate that you can stop now, it's getting close to the end, or you can add milk. Let's say if you add milk to your coffee. I don't really take milk, so I just wait for it to go all the way up. So you're going to hear like a beeping as it reaches the top, and then more like faster beeps as it really reaches like the end limit. So let me show you how this works. Hopefully I don't screw this up. Okay, so gosh, this is hard to do while recording. Let me move this closer here. Let me put that on that side. And I hope I have this in frame. Okay. Am I pouring it out? Okay, so I'm pouring it in, and I can't actually tell where the liquid is, because obviously this is a black cup as well. I would just double check if I was actually pouring it into the cup. So that's the first bit of beeping. And so that's where I would add milk if I was going to. I'm drinking tea though. I'm gonna keep going. And that's where I'd stop. Yep. And that's the way this thing works. And it's something so small. It's kind of hard to demonstrate how easy it is to use and record at the same time. But I think this little thing is super simple and yet somehow like super worth it. If you do get a chance, go check this out. I'll leave a link in the description. Hopefully they still have it at RNIB. Yeah, but I'll try to look for this and leave a link in the description. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll probably do a few more of these when I get the chance or when I feel like showing something off. But thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Later.